To add titles to your project, one of the first things you want to do is you want to activate the graphic workspace up here. What this will do is this will give you more control over your title tool. The thing to keep in mind when you're using titles in Premiere Pro is that all titles have a transparent background. So if you put the title over black, it will have a black background. If you put it over video, it will be superimposed on top of the video. Let's do two different types of titles. First off, let's do a title on black. You will notice that once we've activated the graphic workspace, your tools have now moved up here beside the program monitor. To add a title is relatively simple. You click on the title tool and then click in this program window. You'll see this little red rectangle. This is where you're going to type in your title. Before you type in your title, you might want to change the font, the size, the justification. You can also change the color. For now, let's just keep it quite simple. So let's type in the name of my video. Now that I've typed in the name of my video, what I can do is still in the title tool, I can select it, and then I can change different aspects of it. I can change the size of it. I can make it centered. If I want, I can even change the color. If I select my selection tool, it will form a box around the title, and so I can actually manipulate the title like so. I can place it wherever I want. Because a title is basically video, I can also apply a video transition to this title. So what I can do to have my title fade in, I go to the beginning of my title and I go Command D to add a dissolve. And then I can have my title fade out by also putting a Command D at the end. And the effect is like so. One thing I like about Premiere Pro is it gives us many video layers and many audio layers. This allows us to superimpose video one on top of each other. So one of the things I can do with my title is rather than having here at the beginning over black, I could put it anywhere in my video. So I just drag it and drop it where I want to put it. And so now it's going to look like this. Let's put a title at the end of my video. So I move to the end of my video and I do the exact same thing. I take my title tool, I click in the program monitor, and I type my title. You'll notice it keeps the same settings from my last title, which is good because sometimes you might want the beginning title and the ending title to match. And I want that centered, so I just center it like this, and then I position it manually like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my video finish in black, and then I'll have the title fade up. So I add a dissolve at the beginning and a dissolve at the end. What I also can do is let's have the music continue a little bit more, and let's have it fade out right there. Let's take a look at this video with titles, an adjusted audio track, and some transitions.